Hi friends, I am Sangeeta Sharma and in this video lecture I am going to talk about communication. So here I shall be looking at few important things which you must study when you study communication skills. So friends, what is communication? Communication is an exchange of ideas, messages or informations. Communication is actually lifeblood of this world because we cannot sustain without communication. We live in a society where we communicate with everybody who are around us. And friends, the word communication is derived from Latin word communis or communicare, which means to make common, to make information common. And it has got several characteristics also, like it is omnipresent and it is continuous process. So friends, what is omnipresent? Omnipresent means to be everywhere. हम जहाँ जाते हैं वहाँ कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं, छोटे बच्चे से लेकर आदमी तक, एनिमल से लेकर बर्ड तक. एवरी क्रीचर कम्युनिकेट. It is social process also, or you can say it is universal process. Friends, the second characteristic is it is continuous process because I communicate with you, you give me response, I further communicate with you, again you give response to me. So friends, it keeps on going, so we can say that it is continuous process also. Second important thing which we are going to study here is cycle of communication, or you can say process of communication. So in the cycle of communication we need some important things like sender, message, encoding, receiver, decoding and feedback. Friends, suppose I am sender and I am sending you a message, or you can say by verbally or graphically I send you message, and when I'll send you message, I'll use a particular channel, written aid or telephone, email. That will be our channel. And communication is perfect when you use perfect language also. Suppose you can understand English and I'll speak in Marathi, so you people cannot understand my message because you don't know my language. So friends, whenever we communicate and if we want to make communication perfect, so we have to use the perfect channel. And if we'll talk about receiver, so friends, you people are receiver as you are listening to me, you are receiving my message, so you are receiver. After getting my message, you will try to understand what I am saying, so that is what decoding. And after understanding my message, you will give response to me, that is feedback. So these things are very important in communication cycle. So friends, let's see now the kinds of communication category wise. So first category is communication based on direction. So there are four kinds of communication. Number one is downward communication, second is upward communication, third is horizontal communication, and fourth one is diagonal communication. In downward communication, if a principal sir communicates with a teacher or teacher communicates with student, so it will be downward communication. In upward communication, suppose a teacher communicates with a principal sir or communicates with a director, so it will be upward communication. In horizontal communication, two different people of different departments are communicating with each other. For example, suppose head of the department of English is communicating with the head of the department of Gujarati, so it will be horizontal communication. In diagonal communication, levels are different and departments are also different. Suppose head of the department of English communicates with a subordinate member of Gujarati department. See, head of the department of English is not communicating with head of the department of Gujarati, but is communicating with subordinate member of that department. So it will be diagonal communication. As one is informal communication. In that we will see grapevine communication. Friends, in organization, if a group of people communicates with each other about appointments, about increment in salary, or about domestic affairs, so it will be grapevine communication. Now we will see other classification of communication, and that is classification based on agent. So here we have four kinds of communication: intrapersonal communication, interpersonal communication, group communication, and mass communication. In intrapersonal communication, if I communicate with myself, so that will be intrapersonal communication. You know, in some movies also we have seen some characters are talking with themselves only. Here, you know, sender is a character and receiver is his brain. So if you talk with yourself, so that will be intrapersonal communication. In interpersonal communication, if a person communicates with other people, so that will be interpersonal communication. Then comes group communication. In group communication, if I'll talk with two or more than two persons, so it will be group communication. In mass communication, if I'll communicate by using mass medias like YouTube, television, newspaper, etc., so that will be mass communication. Now let's see other type of communication, that is verbal and non-verbal communication. So friends, in verbal communication we use words. So by using words we communicate. It has subclasses also, oral communication and written communication. In verbal communication, two types are there: oral communication and written communication. In oral communication, we orally communicate with each other by using words, and in written communication we write a letter, email, memo, or report. So that is written communication. In non-verbal communication we use sign language, or we use audio, or we use video, charts, etc. So that is a non-verbal communication. Friends, silence is also communication, because sometimes silently we send messages in other side. Suppose I am very angry on my students and I am just staring at them, so those people will look at me and they will communicate with each other. See, ma'am is very angry, so keep silence. So silence is also communicates, because by using silence we transmit our message to other people. So friends, all these were the topics of communication and its kinds. Thank you for watching my video, and for further information keep on reading, keep on watching my video. Thank you. Be at home, be safe.